Ram Trucks Europe and Red Bull KTM Factory Racing have announced the extension of their successful partnership into the 2024 season. The collaboration will continue to flourish, with Ram Trucks Europe serving as the official team sponsor alongside Red Bull KTM Factory Racing. This partnership is set to unfold against the backdrop of the highly anticipated FIM Motocross World Championship. In a move signaling a deeper collaboration, Ram Trucks Europe will provide two iconic Ram Trucks 1500 vehicles customized to reflect the spirit and colors of the Austrian brand. These trucks will be entrusted to Andrea Adamo and Liam Everts, key members of the Red Bull KTM Factory Racing team. Adamo and Everts will not only race with the support of Ram Trucks Europe but will also act as brand ambassadors throughout the season. As brand ambassadors, Adamo and Everts will utilize the powerful Ram vehicles for both official travel during races and personal adventures. This partnership highlights the synergy between the two entities, as the Ram trucks will not only transport motorcycles to and from races but also become integral to the riders' lifestyles. Moreover, the trucks will be prominently showcased at various events throughout the season, amplifying brand visibility. Domenico Gostoli, head of Ram and Dodge brands Enlarged Europe, expressed enthusiasm about renewing the partnership, citing shared values and a strong community bond. Pit Beirer, KTM Motorsports director, echoed this sentiment, emphasizing the pleasure of having Ram Trucks Europe on board again. Beirer noted the significance of being the main partner for Ram in the paddock, underscoring the strength of the collaboration. KTM, headquartered in Mattighofen, Austria, stands as the largest European manufacturer of high-performing on-road and off-road motorsport vehicles. With a rich history of participation in prestigious competitions like the FIM Motocross World Championship, KTM has amassed an impressive tally of 341 World Championship titles. These include 15 rider titles and 14 manufacturer titles in the MX2 World Championship. KTM's success on the world stage is attributed to its relentless pursuit of innovation and passion for crafting high-performing motorcycles. The brand's commitment to enhancing the rider's overall experience is evident through the integration of race-tested technology in its products. Beyond motorcycles, KTM offers a comprehensive range of products, services, accessories, apparel, and safety items, enriching the riding experience for enthusiasts worldwide.